You see this thing yokuthatha ama-politician azorun i-football yethu la eSouth Africa bakuphi abo-Dr. Khumalo kanti why bangayi lapha kaSAFA to run those things? Abo-Lucas Radebe bakuphi? From ma-sponsors, ma-finance, ticket sales, CFO who has been working at SAFA from 2007 but ama-finance abheke phezulu. But usasebenza lapha njani? Kanti benikuphi nina bebekakuphi ama-lawyer nakusayinwa lama-contract na? Because everything ngathi favor ama-sponsors. Because I saw 2 million for consultation fees. They've just won an AFCON. The last time Bafana won that was 96. Normal NEC must be 18 members, 18 or somewhere. Guess how many NEC members are Bakona Usafa? 47. 47. Call in ShopRite, call in Abo Ticket Pro. Call them in. Ask them, after this game, Malama Tigiti, ni send Luban, which accounts? Let's see. Let's see. Elingenza umsebenzi wakhe ikwenza ukuthi idlalise uThemba uTebogo kwena ekosela ngadlali is the same person who's responsible for that card, for that credit card. Before 2010 that guy was the president of SAFA. It's 2025, he's still the president of SAFA. We've been having a VAR, just that idlala sibona Monday MTN Soccer Zone. Just that sibona lapha kuHlongwane, uVictor Hlongwane. Ay, hlekazini feed man.